Hello and welcome back to Pink Monarch Prints. My name is Bobby and I'm a guest designer. And today I have a fun, quick and simple way to make your own Christmas gift tags. Have you ever gotten to Christmas Eve and you're wrapping gifts and you can't find your gift tags? Well, there's a way to use your printables to make your own gift tags. So I've got a couple pieces from this month's Evergreen subscription kit, the December subscription kit for Pink Monarch Prints. And I printed these on cardstock. And so I'm going to take a couple pieces here and I'm going to use my punches. So if you have a couple punches, you can use them. If you don't have a punch, let's keep this. I'll keep it center first. I was going to fold it in half, but if you don't have any punches, use things in your house. So one shape that most of us all have is some type of circle. So use your paper punches and you can make circular tags, quick and simple. So I'll cut a couple of those out. Alright, let me grab the other piece here. And if you have any other shapes that you like, I have this one here. Not exactly sure of its actual name, but it's kind of like a tag shape. So I like to turn them over so I can see what I'm cutting. So I'm going to cut out a couple of these. So using your punches are a great way to make tags. All right, there we go. And then I also, the kit has the paper you saw me here with. It also has tags, lots of little things. And so I took and I cut out 2 of the tags from the kit that will make great tags. So we're going to real quickly ink them up and decorate them. I just like to get rid of the white edges, so I like to ink them, but you don't have to ink them. Let's see, where'd my other one go? There it is. Just a little bit more here. Now what I did next is there are several sheets of ephemera that go with the kit that are Christmas. And what I did is I shrank those down. I printed, instead of 1 page, I printed 2 per page. So I've got those here. And what you can do is simply just grab your glue. So let me see if I've got my glue bottle here. There it is. All right. Oops, just dropped it. All right. So I've got my glue bottle here. And I'm just going to pick a few of these. Like I said, I shrank these down and made them 2 fit per page. So if you want to ink the edges on those a little bit, you can, just to get rid of the white edges, or you can leave them as are. And all I have to simply do is glue that down. And I instantly have a Christmas gift tag. And let's see, what can we do for this one here? How about this pretty candle? So I'm going to take and just ink around it. And this is simply by just taking pieces of the kit. And I printed these on the back of another page, so I didn't waste. But right there, I have 2 gift tags, and all you have to do is write your to and from on those. Then we've got a couple tags like this. And if you want to do more than add a picture, you can certainly grab one of your sentiments and also add those. So this one says Christmas. These are the little flashcards. And I think what I might do is go ahead and cut this down. There we go. And then I'll just ink that a little bit more so it'll match. So I've got a Christmas here. You could even make that a dangle on your tag if you wanted to. And then I've got a Christmas bulb here. And I'm just going to ink the edges instead of cutting that any closer. I'm just going to glue that on there. Trying to decide if I want to add Christmas to that or not. Now with a tag like this, you could center it or have it off center. And then you could put your to and from on the back of it. So I think I'll do that with this one. So we're going to have this really pretty Christmas bulb here. And I'm going to kind of make it lean a little bit. And then we're going to put Christmas on here. All right, and then we can write our to and from on the back. Let's see what else we can do here. We've got some, there's a wish. I think that'd be good for Christmas. Oftentimes we're wishing for certain gifts. So we could do wish, and let's see what else we might have. We've got a snowman. We've got a present. So let's see, we could do the present. You can also take, your ribbons and lace and different little trims and embellish these. But I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to create your own gift tags for your Christmas presents. So I've got the little snowman here, and we've got this tag here that says Christmas. I'm going to try to even that up just a tad. There we go. And I think that would be cute. Hopefully I'm staying in camera. Apologize if I'm not. I'm trying out a different location to do my videos. All right. Let's see. I'm going to add Christmas right in behind that. There we go. And let's do one more. Let's see. Let's use one of our other tags here. I'm just going to cut that down so it's not so big. And let's see what picture. We've got a pretty tree here. We can do the tree, or we also have this Let It Snow. Ooh, I think we may just do that. I like that. Even though I cut the joy, I like the Let It Snow. So we're going to put that on there. Again, you can write your to and from on the back. I'm going to take my hole punch and let's see, let's close up our glue real quick. Maybe if my fingers will work. There we go. And I'm going to grab the hole punch here, and maybe we'll add a ribbon to a few of them. So I'm going to put that right in the center, and maybe add something to these. Actually, I like those like they are. I think I'll leave them alone. These, if you want to add a little ribbon to the side, you can. So I'll just show you that with a couple of them. So let's see, what color do we want to use? We've got this pretty ribbon here. I think I'm just gonna fold it in half, put it through here, and then you can use this to tape it down to your present or just as decoration, however you want to see it. And just gently pull on those until they're tight enough. And that gives you a place to glue down. Then you can write your to and from on the back. And let's see, I've got a little bit of red, but let's try a different color here. Or I've got a little bit of lace here. That might be a little long, but we'll try it. If you want to keep more of a vintage look to your tags. Pull that back through gently so I don't tear my paper. And there you go. You can trim that off, or you can leave it long as to give you room to put that on your gifts. So there you go. This is a fast and simple, quick and easy video just to show you another way to use your subscription kit this month and make your own Christmas gift tags. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.